If you've ever sent a file through Telegram only to realize the name isn't quite right, or maybe it's just a jumble of numbers and letters, then today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you through how to quickly and easily rename a file before sharing it on Telegram, so your recipients know exactly what they're receiving. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your file names clear and organized, whether you're working on Windows or macOS, so let's jump right in. First things first, we need to find the file you want to rename. If you're on Windows, open up File Explorer. It's that little folder icon usually down in your taskbar. If you're on a Mac, use Finder, which you'll find in your dock. Take your time here and make sure you're hunting down the exact file you want to rename. It could be a work document, a photo, or maybe a video you're about to send to a friend. It's a bit like searching for a book in a library. You want to grab the right one before you start changing anything. Once you've found your file, it's time to bring up the context menu. On Windows, just right-click on the file. You'll get a drop-down menu with a bunch of options. On a Mac, you can either right-click if you have a mouse or use Ctrl+Click. From the menu that pops up, look for the option that says Rename. This is the key feature we're after. It's the door to changing the file name to something more meaningful. Now click on Rename. You'll notice the name of the file will highlight and you'll be able to type in a new name. This is where you get to be specific. Give your file a name that makes sense, maybe Vacation Photo Paris June 2024 or Quarterly Report Q2, something that's instantly recognizable at a glance. This keeps you organized and makes life easier for the person receiving the file too. After you've typed in your new name, just press Enter. Don't worry if you make a mistake, you can always repeat the process. It's worth mentioning here. Avoid using special characters like slashes or colons in your file name. These can sometimes cause issues when sending files or later opening them. Stick to letters, numbers, underscores, or dashes. These are safe choices across all operating systems and apps. Alright, with the file freshly renamed, it's time to share it on Telegram. Open up your Telegram app and head to the conversation where you want to send the file. You've got two easy options here. If you're in Telegram's desktop app, you can click the paperclip icon to attach a file, then navigate to your newly named file and select it. Alternatively, for a speedy shortcut, just drag and drop the file right into the chat window. Telegram will upload it with the name you've just set, so the recipient will see your clear and informative file name immediately. This is especially handy if you're sending files to coworkers, friends, or anyone who might need to quickly identify what the file is. No more confusion or mystery files, just smooth communication. And that's it. Simple, right? Renaming files before sharing on Telegram is a small step that can make a big difference in digital organization and communication. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. And if you have any questions or tips to share, drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.